Everyone, my name is Zuher Elgrady. I'm a dentist in general practice. I would like to share with you my experience and journey with Soni and Sam practicing implantology. First, I would like to thank the team for looking after us throughout the journey. It was a great experience, one of the best courses I've been to, and I've been to quite a few. I had been looking to dental implant courses for some time, and my only question is to find the course that gives me the clinical experience before I go back to my dental practice and place an implant. And I was struggling to find a course in the UK offers that. So I approached a couple of friends and colleagues who are in the same situation as myself, working full time but placing dental implants, and their advice: so please find a course, don't rush it, find a course that gives you enough clinical experience without supervision before you go back to your dental environment and start placing implants. Before one of my friends sent me a link for Soni and Sam practicing implantology. I looked into it. I liked the idea, the course materials as well. So I phoned Mukesh at the time, who explained everything in detail, and followed by a couple of emails from Tracy and Michelle at the time as well, and I signed up to the course. I found the theory side of the course was well structured, easy to understand and absorb from day one, from someone like myself who had no dental implant background. And then my favourite part of the course is the clinical side of the course, when we went to Cairo for a week and we placed dental implants with the support from great guys Sam, Soni and Azhar. Each candidate, I remember, we placed a minimum of 7 implants with a couple of bone augmentations, a couple of restorative work. So it was a great experience. It met and exceeded my expectations. I was looking for 3 things in the course: course material, support and clinical experience. For the course material, it's well structured, easy to understand. We've got a manual, and it's for someone who had no dental implant background. It was perfect. The second, the support. The support is great. We got the support throughout the course was perfect, and after the course, at the moment I've got a couple of consultation and implant cases, so I just basically contact them and ask for their opinion, and the guys are there to help you. The clinical experience, which I think every dentist is looking for, is perfect. I don't think any of the courses out here in the UK they offer what Soni and Sam offers. So I would highly recommend the course for anyone, or to anyone who's looking for dental implant courses with little or no dental implant background. Thanks again.